It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, a power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have some lighting controls, the park brake, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above is our power moonroof buttons, OnStar, and we've also got a place to put your sunglasses. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Our hazard lights, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down. We've also got heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the darkened grille, HID headlamps, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, black side mirrors, black roof rails, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Black mirror caps. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Remote start, the rear window wiper, blacked out logos, and we also have the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push the button twice to pop that open. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo mats, cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seats down, a power plug-in, and a deeper storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear fans, some USB ports, and a power plug-in down below. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.